Hey beautiful peeps, and welcome to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Pia, I'm 60 and I'm here to show you that even though you're 40, 50 or 60 plus, it is still okay to play with makeup. Bold colors, glitters, shimmers, duochrome, multi-chromes, false lashes, bold lips, funky highlighters, colored hair, and yeah, whatever else we can find out there. Because you see, makeup has no age, and at the end of the day, it all washes off. So go find your makeup, play with it, and have fun doing so, just like I do. If you're a returner, welcome back. It warms my heart. I want to give away on IG, on Instagram, of all places. I blown away. I have been wanting to try this brand for the longest time. And it was a giveaway with Makeup on Your Radar and DD Signature. So I won not one, not two, not 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 palettes. So now I get to try DD Signature. I will have both DD Signature and Makeup on Your Radar linked down below in the description, so you can go check them out. Makeup on Your Radar always post about new makeup releases. She was my go-to when I did the new makeup releases videos. So yeah, let me know if I should go back to that again. So let's have a look. I won't swatch today because that's too much. Let's look at this one. Jingle Bell Ruby. Creating fulfilled holiday memories. Same on the inside. There is a mirror in here. Shade saver. And these are the shades. Perfect holiday, winter, Christmas palette. But I'm going to use it all year round anyways. That's gorgeous. Right? Oh my lordy, lordy, lordy. And I'm so excited. I've heard great things about DD Signature. Then we have the Neutral Wonder. Same on the inside. Again with a mirror. And this is definitely a neutral palette. There we go. Neutral with a pop of color. It's beautiful. 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 Huh. When I look at it, I see yellow. Yellowish. That one, it's the same shade, I think. Definitely. Looks like a duochrome. And this one too. I see green. You see purple. Let's see if we can. Purple. And this one and this shade. These are the two you should look at in the mirror. Beautiful. So 6 mattes and 6 shimmers in each of these palettes. And we have the classic autumn. Again, 6 mattes and 6 shimmers. Look at that fig. Apricot. That one is dragon fruit. This one is star apple. You see orange, I see green. This is mushroom. Gorgeous. Oh. Then we have this one, skewer collection. And 4 pellets. First we have caramel skewer. Do you know eating more fruits is an excellent way to improve overall health and reduce the risk of any disease? Prescription. I can't say that word. Prescription. Fruit skewer a day means healthier living. Didi's signature skewer for your perfect glam look. This is caramel. Caramel. Is this one? I see a golden color. See that? I see blue. You see a greenish shade. 4 mattes and 2 shimmers. Or 2 duochromes, I should say, because that's what's in here. And they have their very own little compartment. Next we have tropical. Again, 4 mattes and 2 shimmers. Right. Tropical. These are the mattes. And these 2 are the shimmers. That tangerine shade is beautiful, and that is marshmallow. And then we have exotic. Again, 4 mattes, 2 shimmers. Green delight. I see pink. And a very, you can see that dark green. There's the pink. Oi. Chico and honeydew. Kiwi. That was that one. Moonball grapes. What are that? What are those moonball grapes? And last but not least, we have a juicy skewer. That red. I see yellow. You see pink. Yeah. And these other compartments. That's a neat way to store some things. So yeah, that was my giveaway win. Aren't I a lucky gal? I'm totally blown away by this. So yeah. There's also how to make fruit skewers. Wash your fruit, let it dry, slice it to your favorite shape, get the wooden skewers ready, thread the fruit onto the skewers, serve on platter. Now dip in melted chocolate or dip into yogurt dipping sauce, which is basically Greek yogurt and sour cream sweetened with honey and flavored with vanilla. And enjoy. Yeah, I will do some swatch videos with these, but not all at once. That's too much. Thank you so much to DD's signature and not no makeup on your radar for picking me as a winner. I'm blown away. I'm blown away. I can't wait to dig into these. I'm so excited. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll be seeing you in my next one. Bye.